Welcome to Vision MBA, guys. So today was the SNAP examination. So 3 slots were there, and we have got an overall idea regarding how exactly the exam went, what all questions were being asked, and what exactly the level of question was. So let's quickly discuss and see how exactly the examination was there. And yes, guys, as we all know that there is one more date wherein the examination is going to happen for the SNAP. So students are going to appear in the examination on 16th of January. This video is going to be useful for them so that they'll get an idea of what all topics they can study and what all questions they can attempt. So guys, stay till the end so that you come to know what all questions were there, what was the syllabus, so you can prepare as per it, you can give mocks and start analyzing it so that it becomes little easier for you. So obviously it's a plus point, so stay till the end. So let's quickly understand. The first section which was there in the SNAP examination was your verbal, your general English, which were around 15 questions, plus 1 for the correct answer, minus 2.5 for the negative one. Again, the questions were from easy to moderate. If you guys are scoring or have attempted 10 questions at least correct, you're getting a good score in the examination. For analytical reasoning or logical reasoning, which was there 25 questions, no changes. The paper pattern was same, 15, 25 and 20 for your quant. So if you guys have attempted around 18 to 19 in logical reasoning, good attempt, you're going to get a good score. Again for your quant and your DI, which was there 11 to 12 questions. Yes, because the level of difficulty this year in quant examination or the quant part which was there was little difficult and lengthy, which most of the students felt. Coming towards the syllabus, as I said in the earlier, the start of the video, that the students who are going to appear for 16th of Jan, the examination, you guys especially should get a note of this pattern or the syllabus which was there. You keep on practicing these questions and just go through the difficulty level so that you guys know कि ये questions को किस तरीके से attempt करना है या इस topic पे कितना time आपको spend करना है. So these were the questions which were there. Around 3 questions were asked from clocks and calendars, and your blood relation के 2 questions थे. Number series, again 3 questions were there which form from moderate to difficult level. So guys, don't waste your time in other topics. ये topics है, इस पे ज़्यादा concentrate करके यही practice कीजिए so that it becomes better. The second part, the quant. All the students, majority of the students had given the examination who felt that quant was on a lengthier part. काफी ज़्यादा time लग गया, 20 questions. और SNAP exam का you know that there is 1 hour, 60 minutes. You need to manage time. You need to skip the questions. Plus negative marking is there. So guys, these were the questions. So majorly जो important topics है, you guys can go for those. जैसे probability हो गया, जिसमें 2 questions पूछे गए थे. Time and distance कर लो. Easy topics जो है DI. Don't waste your time in going for all the syllabus. पूरा starting से mocks तो improve, analyze. That's the way you guys can do it. Plus again the questions which were there for SNAP examination. These were the topics. If you guys are giving mocks, you know what you were performing and how you performed in the examination. So these were the total difficulty level which is given out in your screen. Coming towards your verbal part, which was again doable, quite easy. आराम से अगर आपने 20 minutes भी लगाए हैं verbal section में, that was the limit which you should give if you have appeared mocks की. Either you know or you should already skip the question if you are getting it wrong. So उसमें भी आपका your grammar 2 questions were the poems के 2 questions पूछे गए थे. Idioms वो asked 2, quite doable, quite easy. Error spotting and filling the blanks. So these were the major questions which were being asked from the verbal part. Coming towards the score, if you guys are scoring around, as I said in the earlier part, कि अगर आपको verbal में अगर around 10 marks, आपका logical reasoning is scoring around 18 to 19, and your quantitative aptitude comes around 11 to 12 marks. In short, अगर 39 to 40 अगर score आ रहा है, so these are the colleges which you can target as per the percentile. ये आपका last year का जो score है वो यहाँ पे mention किया गया है. Yes, the percentile and score will get little bit on a lower side as the question pattern, everything was little on a difficult part. So these are the percentiles for last year, the score and the colleges which were given. For this year, we are expecting that these were the scores and you can apply for these colleges if you're getting around 37, 35, 33 for SIBM Bangalore and SIBM Pune. So these are the percentiles. If you guys still want to upgrade to your mocks or anything, you can get in touch with us. We are at Thane. You can give us a call on these numbers. We have a Vision MBA mocks for SNAP examination. If 1 week is left, we are given around 5 mocks. If you guys want to purchase that, give us a call and we will be giving you free analysis on how you should prepare for the same, which is there for 16th of January. Coming towards the result, 1st of February, your results will be out at 4 p.m. It will be there on the official website of SNAP examination. Till then, let's all be safe and please guys, wear your mask everywhere. You know how the situation is and everything, and be calm. Keep hopes that you'll be scoring good and you know how your exam is gone. And as I said, if you guys want to purchase mocks for the SNAP examination for 16th of January, having great discounts on it, give us a call and we will be sharing you the details for this.